everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. It's time to choose the winner of our Valentine's raffle to win a free synthetic Raquel Welch or Gabor wig of your choice. We had 734 entries. Thank you to everybody who participated and for everybody who participated in the Valentine's event. That meant so much to us. Before we get to the winner, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about this wig. It's a little bit of a teaser. This is a new wig from Estetica with two things that you specifically asked for. She's heat defiant and she has Velcro adjusters. And there are 4 new styles coming out. You'll see them tomorrow when I do the review of this wig. I'm so excited about this line. All right, back to the winner. As I said, we had 734 entries. I'm going to click this here. We're going to spin the wheel and we'll find out who won. And the winner is Tina Christie. Congratulations, Tina. I'm so excited for you. Send an email to orders@frannieshair.com and let us know which wig you'd like us to send you, and we'll get that right out to you. Okay, thank you to everybody who participated. And if you didn't win, no worries. There's going to be more raffles, more events, a lot of fun coming up at Frannie's Hair. So stay tuned for that. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.